Hello, I'm Mark Gray, Head of Build and Car Assembly here at Aston Martin Aramco Formula 1 team. Behind me you can see the new collaborative Toolchest developed in partnership with JCB tools. The Toolchest is ideal for keeping tools secure and organised in the workshop or at home. For us, the Toolchest contains all the tools that the mechanics may need to get the car ready before the lights out. Both here at the AMR Technology campus and at the track, it is essential that our equipment incorporates sleek designs such as smooth rolling capability thanks to the heavy-duty fixed and swivel casters. Each caster can support up to an impressive 272 kilos. The sturdy side handle makes manoeuvring the cabinet a breeze. It's imperative that in this fast-paced working environment like ours, our tools stay secure even when on the move. The rise-release self-latching drawer pulls which feature in the design ensure that this is the case. Overall, the Toolchest combines robustness, practicality and sleek design, reflecting the high standards we uphold at Aston Martin Aramco Formula 1 team.